Lesson 86 in the Jazz Violin series of 100. In the lesson 85, I wish I had added one thing. I wish I added that, of course, being super prepared makes nerves go away too. If you're so confident in yourself, it doesn't matter too much. Although if you can get tripped up by famous people being in the audience, you want to impress them, you know, be of no mind. Anyways, that's not what this one's about. I just wanted to add that. I wanted to talk about the idea of improvising who you are and what you are and what is given. So as a balance. Now, if you're an angry person in general, you can play with an edge and angry. That's you. Be you. Be yourself. That sounds like a good idea, a good advice, right? But also, what if it's a super mellow tune and just doesn't have room for that angry self? Or what if you're a super meek person, you want to play meekly? That's cool. As an artist, you need to have style. You need to have a voice. You need to have something that people go, oh, that's Jeff Perry. Oh, yeah, I recognize him anywhere when he played, you know. I probably have certain things that I pull upon, a certain attack to the bow. I can draw upon anger. I can draw upon humility. I can draw upon, easy or excited or all these different things. It's like being an actor. But where is you? And it's probably just a big soup. All these things I talk about, being hubris and humility and be yourself, but also take dictation. It probably comes through a filter that's you. You might be hearing things, but it'll come through you and your hands, and you play on your instrument with your gear and the tune that you are in. So take it all in, and don't be afraid to be yourself too. Play it the way you want to, but also take it all in. It's a hard balance to strike, but just be open to the ideas and acknowledge that you are going to influence the ideas too in the core of what you are. So don't be afraid to be yourself. Everybody says that. Every kind of guru will say that. But also take in what is being given and let the filter that is you influence that as well. That's cool to do. All right, that's enough of me blabbing on that stuff.